Hello everyone, my name is Nathan. I'm with SoftBeer, Medical Software Solutions. eCoronaPass is our COVID vaccine management platform, which is built on our existing EHR CloudMD 365. Utilizing an EHR first mentality allows us to take an individual levelized version of care to the vaccination recipient. eCoronaPass is built to expedite the vaccination process for large populations while staying compliant with all state and federal regulations. Let's log in as a provider. The system provides objective measurements and cross-referencing, which allows us to create a full, complete recipient profile. From the provider's view, you can see things like your vaccination recipient population, your scheduled appointments, and all reporting. If I open a recipient's profile, you'll notice all demographics, associated ethnicity, Pfizer surveys, Moderna surveys, and post-vaccination surveys. Our system is built to follow the recipients past the four walls of the establishment. As someone that enters into our system and takes the Moderna survey, they are building their profile for compliance. As Johnson & Johnson and other vaccines receive EUA, the appropriate contraindication surveys will populate into eCoronaPass. As you can see, all vaccinations are recorded and then passes are generated associated to that vaccination record. In the near future, we may all be required to show proof of vaccination or proof of negative test results to enter large gatherings. The generated QR code can be used by the individual as a passport, scanning the QR code with any barcode scanner or cell phone camera that will provide the necessary documentation automatically. Recipients can then schedule an appointment from any web browser or download the eCoronaPass app. That's reflected appointments can then be seen by the provider's calendar. With each action, we also have an automatic reaction. The individual will be provided the education via text and email, appointment reminders, and allergenic warnings. I am going to log in as a vaccination recipient. They are able to schedule an appointment at the nearest facility based on their location, then take the required contraindication survey before the appointment, expediting the vaccination rollout and ultimately lowering exposure to the staff administering the vaccines. After vaccination, recipients are automatically texted a post-vaccine survey which reports any adverse reactions to the federal regulators through VAERS. If you need info on how to become a provider, simply fill out the provider form on our website, eCoronaPass. Thank you so much for your time and all of us here at SoftBeer Medical Software Solutions. But before we depart ways, are there any questions I can answer before leaving? Please feel free to drop us feedback on the chat.